Just like atong Senator Bato is still inside the country, and we will be enforce that warrant of arrest. And we will do our duty.
Hindi pa nakakalabas ng bansa si Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. Ito ang kinumpirma ni Philippine National Police Criminal Investigation and Detection Group Director, Police Major General Robert Alexander Morico II, isang araw matapos ipag-utos ng Department of Justice ang pag-aresto sa senador. Ayon kay Major General Morico, tulad ng puganting negosyante na si Charlie Atong Ang, nananatiling nasa bansa pa rin ang dating pinuno ng PNP. Kaya naman, ang pamunuan ng pambansang pulisya, pinakilos na ang lahat ng kanilang units para hanapin at arestuhin si Senator Bato. Inatasan din ito ang Directorate for Intelligence at Criminal Investigation and Detection Group na mamuno sa manhunt operations.
Lahat ng PNP units ay binigyan natin ng direktiba. And of course, the OPR is our unit involved in manhunt. Ang main manhunt natin, of course, is ang ating intelligence group as well as our criminal investigation and detection group.
Oras na maaresto si Senator De La Rosa, sinabi ni General Morico na isa sa ilalim nila ito sa booking procedures bago i-turn over sa Department of Justice.
The process is that kung mahuli namin siya, we are coordinating, by the way, with the National Bureau of Investigation. Normal, just like any other arrested person, mag-undergo siya ng booking and medical examination. Then we will turn over to the Department of Justice for further guidance coming from the DOJ.
Sinagot naman ni General Nartatis ang sinabi ni Suspended Senate Sergeant-at-Arms Chief, Retired General Mau Aplasca, na nais na magpakustudiya ni Senator Bato sa PNP.
Seeking protective custody is meaning that is surrender. Kung by all peaceful means he will surrender, yield himself, di mas maganda, okay? Para mag-concentrate tayo sa iba pang wanted person. We have Atong Ang, we have Saldico, we have Bantag, and the rest of hundreds of thousands of wanted person listed na ating ino-operate.
May panawagan din si General Nartates kay Senator Bato.
He is a former police officer. Napakaganda ng career niya, especially in the fight against crime, no? At maintenance of peace, not only in Mindanao, but the whole country, especially when became one-star general, became leader or chief of the Philippine National Police. At alam niya naman ang proseso, no? If we can imagine yung paggastos natin, utilize the resources in conduct of manhunt, in the implementation of warrant of arrest, and other police operation to implement that, it involves a lot of resources. Kung pwede naman siyang mag-surrender, yield himself. And that is the most peaceful means sa pinaka.
Si Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa ay itinuturing ng International Criminal Court na co-conspirator ni dating President Rodrigo Duterte sa kasong crime against humanity of murder kaugnay sa war on drugs ng pamahalaan. Leia Ilagan, UNTV, News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.